Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for this video I will give you explanation about insert into. So the insert into statement is used to insert new record in the table, and it is possible to read the insert into statement in two ways. The first way, insert both the column names and the value to be inserted. So let's check out. This is the first way. So we will specify the column. This is the column name, first name, last name, address, and class. Created data. And now we will write the values. This is the values for first name. This is the last name. And this is for address. This is for class. And the last is the datetime we set to be now. This is the function from MySQL, and this function will return values like this one, right? The current timestamp. Okay, let's try this SQL. Yeah, this value is already created, and this is the first way, and we will try second way. The second way, if you are adding values for all the column of the table, you do not need to specify the column name in the SQL query. So you do not need this. Let's try. Okay, the important thing is make sure the order of the values, these values, right, is in the same order as the column in the table. So make sure this values is the same order as the column in this table. First name, last name, address, class, and created datetime. Okay, let's try. We need to set the values from ID, this ID, right? And let's try again. Yeah, done. And let's check. Yeah, these values, right? And let's try the batch insert. the next is batch insert. So we will insert more than one data in one time. Okay, let's try. I will just copy from here. Okay, let's try. Oh, sorry, I make some mistake here. Let's try again. Yeah, we insert more than one data here, and let's check. Yeah, success. Okay, this is a simple explanation about insert into syntax, and for the next video I will give you explanation about update data. Okay, see you in the next video.